Are you struggling to figure out which products will actually sell on TikTok Shop? You're not alone. Every day, thousands of sellers waste time guessing, testing random products, and hoping for a viral hit. But what if you had real data to guide your decisions? That's where Kalodata comes in. It's a powerful tool built specifically for TikTok Shop product research, giving you the insights you need to find winning products faster and with less risk. Instead of relying on trial and error, Kalodata shows you what's already trending, how products are performing, and what buyers are actually spending money on. Now, before we dive deeper, I've got something special for you. If you're ready to try Kalodata yourself, check the link in the description. You'll get 10% off your subscription, so you can start making smarter product decisions today while saving money at the same time. What I like about Kalodata is how it breaks down product data into clear metrics. Sales numbers, revenue, trends, and even creator insights. That means you're not just seeing what's popular, you're seeing why it's working. Whether you're brand new to TikTok Shop or you're already selling but want to scale up, this tool helps you cut through the noise and focus on products with real potential. And here's the best part, Kalodata doesn't just give you product research, it also shows you the competitive landscape. You'll know which products are oversaturated and which ones are hidden gems, so you can make informed decisions instead of guessing blindly. So, if you've been struggling with product research or you just want an edge over other TikTok sellers, Kalodata is a must-have. Remember, the link is in the description for 10% off, so grab it and start building your winning product lineup today. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.